Hello everybody and welcome to my channel of AG Math, The Way of Life. I have already done some classes on circles theory and theorems. In continuation of the same series of circles, here is another theorem, the series number 12. So, as usual, I again request you that while writing the theorem, you have to follow the chronological system of writing the steps that given what is to prove, what is the construction, and then the proof in two parts. One is what is your claim and what is the reason of that claim. Finally, you write QED, that means you have already given the theorem, proved the theorem what was asked to do. So starting with the theorem statement. In equal circles, theorem says that in equal circles or in the same circle, equal chords cut off equal arcs. Chord, is the straight line part inside the circle from one end to another end on the circumference. AB is a chord and this AB curved part is called the arc, and that arc is represented by a curve on the top of it, and while writing the chord we will not mark anything on the top of it. Okay, so when we are writing the arc we will use a small arc over the connection of AB and over PQ. Now what is given here? AB and PQ are chords of two equal circles. I have drawn two equal circles. Equal circle means having the same radius. In two equal circles with center O and O dash, there are equal arc. What are the arcs? AB is one part of arc. Now you have to prove that AB is equal to PQ when the chords are equal. AB chord and PQ chord lengthwise they are equal. I have drawn two chords of equal length. Suppose this is a length of 5 centimeter and a 5 centimeter, or a 7 centimeter to 7 centimeter. I have drawn two arcs of equal length in two equal circles, and then the arc part which they are intersecting should also be equal. That is what is required to be proved. Now my construction was we have to join the sides OA. OA is joined, OB is joined in this circle. Similarly, O dash P and O dash Q are joined in the other circle. So join OA, OB, O dash P and O dash Q. Now for proving this, what we are claiming in triangles OAB and OPQ. OAB is one triangle I have drawn and O dash PQ is another triangle which is drawn. Now you will see that in this triangle, OA is a radius R, OB is also a radius R, and if they are equal circle, then the other circle's radius will also be equal to R only. So in triangles OAB and O dash PQ, OA is equal to O dash P. OA is equal to O dash P because they are equal circle and the radius of this circle must be equal to the radius of this circle. So radii of the equal circles. Similarly, OB must be equal to O dash Q, being the same claim or the reason that radii of the equal circles. Third part, AB is equal to PQ, which is given. What is given? AB and PQ are chords of two equal circles with center O and O dash respectively. This was given here. This word is given here. So when it is given that AB and PQ are equal, I said I have drawn it with 7 centimeter each. Then that is another part of statement and it was given. The reason is that. Then as per 1, 2 and 3, we can say that triangle OAB, this triangle and this triangle O dash PQ must be congruent. By what axiom? SSS, side, side, side. When the sides of this triangle and sides of this triangle are equal individually, respectively, then the triangle become congruent. And for the congruent triangle, we can say CPCT applies, that is, congruent parts of the congruent triangles are always equal. So accordingly, we say angle AOB is equal to angle PO dash Q. Angle AOB is equal to PO dash Q by CPCT. Full form for the CPCT is congruent parts of the congruent triangle. And when the triangle sides are equal, then the arc will also be equal because equal circles obtain equal arcs. That is the axiom of equal arcs theorem which we have discussed previously. So here lastly we say QED. What is the QED? Arc AB. The curve length AB is equal to the curve length PQ because they are subtended by equal chords at equal circles, or it may be in the same circle. Here how we prove this theorem. If you like this video, please click on the button, like it, and subscribe for getting more and more such type of educative video lectures. And don't forget to comment in the box under it, where I always scan and see what are the comments from my followers, and accordingly I try to fulfill their needs and requirements, and I assure you, you will not be left neglected. I will definitely attend to your requests and calls. I'll again come back and meet you soon with some new topic. Thank you very much for your valuable